Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add and set up a new focus on the iPhone 13 series. A focus is a feature that helps you concentrate on a task by minimizing distractions. And in here, you have many different types of focus that you can set up. So let's first go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Focus. Then in here, if you want to set up a new focus, you tap on the Add button. So before we do that, let's take a look at some of the default focus that has already been added to the list. So by default, you should already have Do Not Disturb focus, Sleep, Personal, and Work. And if you want to add in a new focus, you tap on the Add button at the top right-hand corner. Then in here, you can choose a focus such as fitness, gaming, mindfulness, reading, or you can even set up a custom focus. So for example, let's say you want to play game and you want to turn on a gaming focus. So you tap on gaming here, then you go down and you tap on next. In the allow people section, you can choose who can call you or who can notify you. So in here, let's say I want to select incoming call and then tap on done, and then other people, so you can allow calls from favorites or no one, everyone, all contacts. You can also choose to turn on or turn off allow repeated calls, and then tap on done. Okay, and then tap on allowed, and next you can choose which app allows to send you notifications. So you can tap on add app and select an app. Now you don't have to select any apps. If you don't want any disruptions from apps, then you can simply just remove all apps. And you can turn on or turn off time sensitive, and then tap on allowed, only time sensitive, or choose none. So select one of the options, and in here you can see it says turn gaming on automatically. So gaming focus can turn on automatically when you connect it to a wireless controller to play supported games. So you can choose turn on automatically or skip. And that's it. Now we can tap on done button to finished. And that's it. So now if we go back to focus, you can see there is now a new gaming focus. And if I tap on that, I can turn on gaming focus. And when it is on, you can see there is an icon at the top here saying that I'm in gaming focus. And my focus status down here is on, so you can share the focus status. When this focus is on, allow apps to display to people who message you that you have notifications silenced. So basically they know that you are busy at the moment playing games, so perhaps they can message you later on, or you will get back to them once you have finished playing on your game. And then you got home screen and lock screen. In home screen, you can choose to show or hide notification badges, or you can select custom pages, which allows you to set which home screen you can access during the gaming focus. Okay, so each of these focus have different features. For example, if you go into sleep focus, then you got a time schedules which you can change. If you go into a work focus, again, it is different. I haven't set up work focus yet. That is why it's giving me the option to set up work focus. And then you got driving focus. In driving, there are different options. Again, I can choose auto replied, and then I've got the turn on automatically while driving. So different options will be available for different focus type. And that's how you can add and set up a new focus on your iPhone 13 series. Now at any time you can swipe down and then tap on the focus to turn it off. And that's it. So for do not disturb, if I turn on, then the do not disturb focus icon will appear at the top here. And if I want to turn it off, I can turn it off in settings, or I can swipe down the control center to switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.